Story goes that every generation has one. Some damn soul cursed to ride the earth.
Good morning, YouTube. And caught my eye. It came across my desk this morning. You can see here, councils urged. Oh, where'd that go? Right, councils urged to remove short-sighted motorhome and camper van parking bans amid huge economic benefits. So finally, it seems in 2025, common sense is slowly coming back into fashion, because we've had, it feels like, at least 8 years of absolute madness and insanity, all the woke nonsense, all the stuff that just doesn't make sense to a normal mind. But here we are, common sense has entered the room, and they're being banned. Councils are being suggested to lift the bans on motorhomes and camper vans because of the economic benefits. So the advocacy group called for an end to motorhome and camper van parking, overnight parking bans across the UK, because they bring in so much money. And a common sense, like I say, common sense says, if you've got people, tourists, coming in from other parts of the country and the world in camper vans, let them stay for a price and they will spend in the local economy. Just ban them. It's like Sadiq Khan doing what he's doing in London. He's bankrupted London because he's so thick and short-sighted. He's put a stranglehold on London. All the businesses have gone. Now no one goes there. And he's desperate for money. It's bankrupt. Same with these little towns, these little seaside resorts and whatnot, these places of historical influence. They need tourists. And if you welcome them in, you're going to get their money. They're saying, look, average RV owners, motorhome owners, camper van owners spend about 50 quid a night in local pubs, bars, restaurants, all that sort of stuff. Minimum. You know, let them come in. So whether this is going to do anything is anyone's guess, because these idiots in charge, you know, all they're interested in is getting their hands on little kids. But it's a mad world we're living in. But hopefully, you know, with things that are happening in America, things that are happening with Twitter and Elon Musk, common sense, logic, and anti-woke nonsense, it's all getting better for us, isn't it? So let's hope this is a sign of things to come. All these idiots running these little country pubs and towns, are going to lift these stupid bans, and we can start enjoying the British countryside again, and enjoying camping and overnight staying in camper vans and RVs. Wouldn't that be nice? A little bit of common sense, instead of trying to control everyone, restrict everyone. Let people do what they want to do within rules and enjoy their life on Earth. People are absolute short-sighted idiots. Look, according to Camp Ra's previous research, there are more than 350,000 registered motorhomes in the UK, contributing to an annual spend of £850 million. This is what these idiots, these short-sighted idiots, and these not in my backyard locals, these are idiots, these people. Let the camper vans in. Take the money. Enjoy life. Christ, we're not here for a long time. Let's have a good time. Yeah, so, yeah, just interesting. Caught my eye. So hopefully, like I say, common sense has come back into the realm, and we can all start living like adults again. Anyway, I thought I'd just bring a little bit of good news to your Sunday.